Hello, good morning everybody. Thank you very much for joining me on this short and instructional tutorial video. Today we shall be discussing about how to register a new member on Skillznet platform. Don't forget that at Skillznet you are globally positioned to be educated, and don't forget that here at Skillznet we have lined up courses such as Forex Trading courses, digital currency courses, dropshipping, blogging, e-commerce and Woocommerce, content marketing, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, search engine optimization, Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, Twitter marketing, YouTube marketing, search engine optimization marketing, email marketing, all these and much more for just a one-time lifetime payment of just $10, guys. It's amazing. But for the purpose of this training video today, I'll be showing us live and direct how to register a new member at Skillznet. So let's go straight to my back office right now. Don't forget that at Skillznet is affiliate based, which means that you need the link of an already existing member for you to become a partner with this wonderful platform. Don't forget our Skillznet is an amazing opportunity that has come to change and also liberate us in the area of e-learning, guys. So as you can see, this is the back office and this is the account that will be sponsoring the new account. As you can see, this is the referral link. You go there, you copy the referral link. Can you see? Okay, once you copy the referral link, then you open it on a new page. Okay, this can be done on your mobile phone, this can be done on your laptop, PC, Mac, and the rest. So right now I've pasted the link, and then you can see that Peace Arena, the name of the person sponsoring this new account, will appear there. So we'll fill in this simple user-friendly form to complete the new members registration. So let's go straight to get the information that we'll be inputting here right now. Okay, you have to read the terms and conditions, then continue. You go through the details again to be sure it's correct, then you click on continue. So the moment you click on continue, it gives you the various payment options that we have here at Skillznet. We have the registration wallet. That is, if you are registering using your wallet, using the wallet you have in your back office to register a new member, that is where you go to registration wallet. Then you pay with Paystack. That is if you are paying with your debit card, which is what we're going to be doing this morning. Okay, and also if you're outside the country, if you're outside Nigeria, you can pay with Flutterwave. Okay, and also if you're within Nigeria as well, you can still pay using the various USSD codes that we have, okay, such as *737 and the likes. Then you can also pay with your coin, that's your cryptocurrency coin, which means this company, this platform is global. Okay, it's not limited to your terrain, it's not limited to your country alone. It's a global platform. Okay, so for the purpose of this training video, I'll be making use of Paystack. So let's click on Paystack right now. Okay, so the Paystack will redirect me to a place where I can input my card details, which I'll be doing right now. And then you're going to put your expiry date of your card and then your CCV, just like you are making payment using Paystack. Okay, then click on pay, and the moment you do that, it's going to send you an OTP on your mobile phone and also on your email address. So let's go to my email and then let's refresh my email to get the OTP. As you can see, the OTP is here. So let's click on that, copy that, and then we take it back to our Paystack and paste it in here. The moment you do that, then you click on authorize, and within seconds, guys, payment successful. You don't need to go through any third party to get yourself activated on the platform. All you need to do is to get the sponsor link of the person inviting you, and then you get on board. The page will naturally redirect itself back to the new member's account, which means the member has been successfully activated at Skillznet. That is amazing. That is what I call business, guys. So on that note, if you're still new to my YouTube channel, or if you have any question regarding Skillznet, or you are planning to come on board and join us as an affiliate, please feel free to contact me with the comment box below or inbox me, and I will be ready to show you the business, answer all your questions, and then we'll journey together towards success. Okay, as you can see, the new account has been successfully created and registered. I hope this video will be able to provide a solution to anybody that wants to register using his debit card at Skillznet. Thank you very much, and do have a wonderful day. Bye.